our regular Operation Readiness series. Today's topic is planned implementations of computerized maintenance management systems, or better known as CMMS. If your new plant is implementing SAP maintenance first time, there are some major steps which need to be defined first, like create equipment hierarchy and functional locations. Materials plan maintenance work management process from identifying the work all the way through execute and analysis, and so on and so on. Our company ANI has helped clients in developing this strategy and at the very minimum make them aware of the risk if there are other things not properly defined. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you would like to know more, if we can help. Thank you.